Dify versus Coze, Best AI Automation Tool 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you the best AI automation tool between Dify and Coze in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Dify and Coze are both AI automation platforms, but they serve different purposes. Over here, Dify is an open source, low code platform designed for building and managing AI native applications. After that, it provides orchestration tools for creating complex AI workflows and managing models. Then, it also offers secure data pipelines, making it a great choice for businesses that prioritize data privacy. After that, its backend APIs allow for easy integration with other applications. Now, let's talk about Coase. Over here, Coase is a no-code AI application and chatbot platform that allows users to build AI chatbots without any programming knowledge. After that, it supports multi-platform deployment, meaning chatbots can be integrated into different messaging apps. Then it also comes with integration capabilities, making it easy to connect AI-powered chatbots with other tools. Now let's look at how to choose between Dify and Coase. Over here, choose Dify if you need a flexible, open source AI solution with powerful features for complex AI applications. After that, go with Coase if you want a simple, no code chatbot builder that is easy to use and deploy. So that's how you can decide between Dify and Coase for AI automation in 2025. That's all for this video.